I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play School of Dragons after Shutdown. Unfortunately, the official game servers for School of Dragons are no longer operational. This means it is not possible to play the original game as it was designed or intended. The developers ceased operations, leading to the game's unavailability. Be very cautious of any unofficial versions or private servers claiming to offer the game, as these can pose security risks to your computer or personal information. Always prioritize your online safety. The game's original developers, Jumpstart Games, ceased operations for nearly all their titles. This meant that the essential servers needed to run an online game like School of Dragons were shut down. Online games require constant maintenance, updates, and active servers to function. Ultimately, a lack of profitability and business challenges led to the difficult decision to close the game permanently. It was a sad day for many players. While the original game is no longer available, many other fantastic dragon-themed games exist. You might explore single-player titles that don't rely on online servers, or look into mobile games such as Dragon Vale or Dragon City, which offer dragon collecting and training. There are numerous options across various platforms that can provide a similar sense of adventure and connection with your own virtual dragons. Discover a new favorite today. Despite the official shutdown, the passionate community keeps the spirit of School of Dragons alive. Some dedicated fans are actively working on unofficial game emulators, like the project known as Shutdown, which aims to restore the game experience. These community-driven efforts may offer a way to revisit the world. You can also connect with other former players in online forums and groups to share cherished memories and discuss the game's rich lore. The legacy lives on through its fans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.